Hi guys, welcome to my channel MateABC English. And today's video we're going to see how to add fractions with unlike denominators, and we're going to see how to add 1/2 plus 1/3. First of all, we need to find the LCM or least common multiple, and if you don't know how to calculate, in the comments so you can watch the video. Okay, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So first of all, please pay attention to this. We need to divide 6 over 2, and the result is 3. This is the result. So then we need to multiply the result by the numerator, so in this case is 1. We need to multiply it by 1. So we have 6 over 2, that is 3. 3 times 1, 3. And we put it here, and then we put the operator. So it's this algorithm that you have to follow in order to get this addition gets. So you need to follow these steps in order to find an equivalent fraction, so we can add it together. So now we divide 6 over 3, and it's 2. And then we multiply it by the numerator, and is 2. So 6 over 3 is 2 times 1, 2. So here we have 3 plus 2. So the answer is 5/6. So another example is add 2/3 plus 4/5, and we need to find the least common multiple of 3 and 5, and it's 15. And also we need to follow the same steps on this fraction and this fraction. So here we go. 15 over 3, it's 5. And we finally need to multiply this result by 2. So here we go. 15 divided over 3, 15 over 3, 5, and 5 times 2 is 10, plus we need to follow the same steps, so 15 over 5, and then this result will multiply by the numerator. So in this case is 15 divided by 5, so 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then we need to multiply by the numerator, in this case is 4. So 3 times 4, 12. And 10 plus 12 is 22 15.